In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website on GoDaddy in just 6 steps. Whether you're launching a personal blog, an online business, or a portfolio, creating a website can be a straightforward process with GoDaddy's easy-to-use platform. Let's walk you through each step to get your site up and running. First, you'll want to head over to the GoDaddy website, open your preferred web browser, and type in GoDaddy's URL. Once the page loads, you'll notice a sign in button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on that to proceed. If you already have an account, you can log in using your credentials. If not, there will be options to create a new account. Follow the prompts to set up your account if needed. Once logged in, you'll find yourself at the GoDaddy dashboard. Look for the option that says Set up a free website and click on that. GoDaddy often offers various options and features, and this particular option can be a great starting point for those new to website building. After selecting this, you'll be asked to choose a template. GoDaddy provides numerous ready-made templates suited for different purposes, from business and creative portfolios to personal blogs. Pick a design that resonates with what you envision for your site. Whether you're representing a business, showcasing a portfolio, or creating something unique, choosing a template is crucial as it sets the tone for your site's design and functionality. Once you have a template, the next step involves customizing it further. You can start fresh, or if you feel adventurous, explore various templates to see which works best. With your template in hand, click on your chosen style of website to get started. The template acts as a foundation, offering preset structures that you can adjust. Click on Continue after confirming your template choice, which will lead you to enter your website name. Think carefully about this as it will represent your online presence. Type in your desired website name and then click on Continue to proceed yet again. Now, you'll be asked to provide some details about your website. You can choose to enter this information now or skip this step to add it later. What's essential here is to keep your target audience in mind while adding relevant details. Next, it's time to dive into the customization phase. GoDaddy's website builder is user-friendly, employing a drag-and-drop editor that allows you to edit text, add images, or rearrange sections with ease. Here's where you can get creative by adding necessary sections like About Us, Services, or a contact page. Adjust colors, fonts, and layouts to align with your brand or personal aesthetics. Don't forget to upload your business logo in the header section, replace any stock images with your own, and update the text with accurate information about your services or products. If you have a custom GoDaddy domain, connect it to your website. Alternatively, you can purchase a new one. Lastly, wrap things up by previewing your entire site. Go through each page to ensure everything looks smooth and functions properly. Once you're satisfied, hit that Publish button to make your site live and accessible to everyone. Congratulations, you've built your website on GoDaddy. Now, it's ready to share with the world.